Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about calories a little, and I'm going to show you this app that will help you guys when it comes to consuming calories, okay? So to start off, we're going to do this activity called Four Corners, where there's a question in the middle and your options are in the four corners. So like this option, the bottom right, you guys would come up to me, like over in here. It's the bottom left, you go over there to the left of the screen. Top right, you go back right, kind of by Shelby. Top left, you go back to the back, kind of by Rachel. Okay, so just to make sure you guys know how it works, just a simple question. What do you guys like to drink? Whichever one you like the most, go to your answer. Okay, so Jake, you don't like any of these.
No.
And you guys like water?
Yeah.
And you like tea? Okay, cool. So you guys know how it works. So here's the first question over calories. So is it true or false? A calorie is another word for a hydrate or a carbohydrate. True or false?
Those aren't answers, don't they?
Wait, which one?
I guess the bottom corner is
The bottom.
Yeah. So what side? You guys are kind of in the middle. That side? Okay. So you guys are correct. Calorie is not another word for carbohydrate. So our next question is, what do you guys think is the recommended number of calories you intake a day? So the answers and
I'm confused.
You all can do the wrong one if you
No, I
want
just
to.
don't know where the quarters are.
that's why we have to practice. Right?
So what are they answering?
They are answering 2,000 calories. So you guys are correct. That is just the average calories that most people recommend when it comes to caloric intake. Okay, so those are my only two questions for right now. So you guys can go back to your seats for the time being. Okay, so we were just talking about calories, and a lot of people don't really know what they are, and the definition kind of makes it a little bit harder to understand too. So the true definition is it's the amount of energy required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degrees Kelvin. So in simpler terms, it's the way of describing how much energy your body can get from eating or drinking a certain food or drink. So then like the temperature is like a form of energy, obviously, and our body needs energy to work. So how many calories in it? You guys kind of answered this already, but daily recommended value is 2,000, but that obviously can vary based on, like I said, your sex, if you're a boy or girl, your age, how much physical activity you get. If you have more physical activity, you can consume more calories because you need more energy, and your weight and your height. So if you're bigger, your body obviously needs more energy, so you can consume more calories. And then just here's a question I kind of just gave the answer to, but if I'm taller and weigh more than the average person, do I need more or less than 2,000 calories a day? Anybody answer that?
More.
Raise your hand, please. Jake. More. And you are right. Okay. So how do I keep track of these calories? The easiest way is to use an app. So now we're going to pull up the MyPlate calorie intake tracker. You guys will do that. And when you pull it up, you got 3 options. Continue with Facebook, sign up, or log in. If you guys could log in or sign up using your school emails, that'd be great. I'll give you guys a minute to fill that out. And it'll just basically ask you a couple questions like how old you are, your height and your weight, how much physical activity you get, just to kind of determine how many calories you should be eating a day. You didn't.
Yeah.
If you guys have any issues or any questions about signing up, just let me know and I'll come over and I'll help you. And then once you guys kind of are logged in, just put your phone kind of in the top right corner of your desk, just so I know when you guys are ready. And so you're going to mess around on it.
Was that you? Okay. I didn't want it to be my phone.
You guys have done check? Alright, looks like everybody is pretty much in, and basically your main screen that you have, you should be seeing this. It has breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack, and then exercise, weight, and water. Obviously, we're not going to worry about the exercise right now. So just to get used to the app, we're going to pick our favorite fast food restaurant, and we're going to enter in our favorite meal from there, just to make sure that we know how to find the food, and then make sure we see where it's adding up and how many calories it is. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes to look up your favorite fast food restaurant. I know for me, Chick-fil-A. So you just type in Chick-fil-A
Where?
for me.
You have to click on breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
You can do dinner. Do dinner, that's fun. When I type in Chick-fil-A, it just gives me a whole bunch of options, like the spicy chicken deluxe, which I actually do like. So then you just click on it, top right corner it should say, I ate this, you just click on that, and then it'll add to it. And then you just keep on adding until your full meal is in there. And then when you're done, go ahead and put your phone down just so I know when you're ready. I got a couple, we're waiting on a couple. I know for me personally, my favorite meal at Chick-fil-A, I consume 1,300 calories. Man, that's more
What
than-
was your favorite meal?
Spicy chicken, waffle fries with Chick-fil-A sauce. Make sure you add the sauces too because they have calories. Chick-fil-A sauce is actually 140 calories, which is just crazy. And then just a medium soda, which is 170. So I know that's definitely more than half of my recommended value of the day. Looks like everybody's pretty much done. Does anybody else have a crazy number, a super high number calories they consume with their favorite fast food meal.
Well, mine was more than half of the calories.
More than half of the recommended calories. Anybody else more than half? You don't have to share anything, no? More than a third? Yeah, maybe, maybe. Well, I think this just kind of shows about how much calories that those fast food places have and how crazy it is. Okay, so now that you guys kind of have like a better idea on how to use it, you can go ahead and delete those off your dinner or your lunch or whatever. The easiest way to do it is just click on it, slide to the right, and then just click delete, or you can click edit and go in there and delete it, either or. And when you guys have all that deleted and you have 0 calories for the day, we are going to pull up the worksheet that you guys have in your Canvas. If not, it is also up here on the projector.
It's in their email. It's not in Canvas. It's in their
Your
email.
email, yeah. And basically, we're just going to go through what you guys ate yesterday. So, what you have for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and what you ate as a snack. There's also a water option you can put in your water. You don't necessarily have to put in your exercise right now just because we're worried about how much calories you're intaking, so you can just ignore that. So as you're putting that in, make sure you're very specific so it can have like an exact number of calories and it's very accurate. And then we're just going to go through when you're finished and answer these 3 questions that I have for you. Like I said, it's in your email.
You have it in your email. Did you find it? Okay. Everybody got it in their email?
So breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and how many cups of water.
Do you know how to make that a little bit bigger? Do you know how?
Yeah, I can make it a little
Okay.
bit bigger. Just
Thank
for-
you for the old lady here. Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Just go ahead and grab a sheet of paper if you want to answer on your computer. You can do that too. Either's fine. Just go through and try your best to remember what you ate yesterday. I know it's a long way away or a long time ago, but try your best.
Are you thinking about it?
Yeah, I don't remember what I.
And if you guys have any questions about the app or anything, just let me know. If you have any questions about the questions I'm asking about you, just let me know and I'll be going around making sure you guys are okay.
What if I can't remember?
If you can't remember, then do what you normally eat. So if you wake up in the morning and you normally eat 2 eggs and a piece of toast, go for that. If you don't remember what you have for breakfast, or if you have for lunch, you have, a turkey sandwich with a couple slices of cheese on there and some Fritos, I don't know.
Do they have your snacks in there?
Maybe, yeah. I just know I didn't have breakfast yesterday.
Can we do what we made today?
Yeah, or like if you don't remember yesterday,
Can
do
you
what
remember
did
today?
Yeah, that's all that matters.
And but then again, like I
Probably
said,
a little snack.
make sure you're putting in like your lunch, your dinner, and your snacks, just so it's a full day's worth of calories and not just the morning or this morning. Cool. Looks like you got it. Okay. And then, as I walk around helping you guys, I'll put in mine too, just so we can compare at the end. You know what you ate, Deacon? Like I said, it's fine, just do what you normally do. You good back on shoulder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just really concentrated.
Just really concentrated? Good, good.
So you've been going 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Mhm.
Okay, cool.
You're doing fine.
So I'll give you guys, let's say we got about 2 more minutes to try to input our stuff, and then we'll spend the last few minutes kind of answering these questions. So if you haven't already, keep up putting them in. Do your best to remember. All that good stuff.
What's typically a medium-sized soft drink? Like, is that,
A 12-ounce
16 ounces?
Coke, a 12-ounce Coke in a can is about 150 calories.
I know, but not a can, I mean, is it
So
one
like a
can, like
cup?
a medium?
So it's a bigger cup, so it's more than 12 ounces. So when you said you had a medium drink from Chick-fil-A, that was 170?
170, yeah.
That's probably about right, 170 for a medium soft drink.
So that'd be like 16 ounces?
Yeah, probably around that.
Unless it's diet.
It is
Mhm.
that.
She knows what it is, it's diet. And it's just chemicals,
Yeah.
which I drink those. I
I
need
don't
to,
like diet. I think it tastes weird, but
yeah, I got used
Oh,
to
I
it.
love it, I'm thinking.
it tastes
The
gross.
diet tastes way better.
It tastes so much better.
So right now, if you haven't already, try to start working on your guys' questions. I know maybe you didn't get all of your stuff in there, but we're kind of crunched on time right now. So try your best just to answer the questions with whatever information you have. You guys should have pretty much all of it. Maybe you're off a couple hundred calories or whatnot, which is fine. Like I said, just try to answer the questions to the best of your ability. Is it working, Keaton? Work on the questions. Thank you.
It actually worked out pretty well to have it on the computer because I can just type in their answers
yeah.
that way.
Exactly.
I didn't even think about that.
Can you guys see the projector okay? Do you want me to turn off the light?
That's fine.
It's fine? Okay, cool. I just looked at it and it was a little dim. What kind of questions I gave you? Any questions? Any questions, Jake? Nice. Alright, you guys got about 1 minute left to finish up these questions, so make sure you're working on them, putting down your thoughts, wrapping up some answers. Cool. almost done, Keegan? Jay? Shelby almost done? You are done? Alrighty. So you guys are done. Let me see if I can have a couple people share. Does anybody want to share their answer for number 1? Keegan.
So I was way under because I didn't really eat meals yesterday. I had more like snacks. So I was under by 730 calories.
Okay, so what could you do to get closer to your daily recommended
Not
intake?
eating as much cereal,
Not eat as much cereal? What would you replace it with then?
full meals.
Full meals? Okay, that's a good question. That's a good answer. It's a really good answer. Okay. Anybody else want to share their answer for number 1? Shelby.
I was under by a little bit, and I'm still able to fit in having pizza for dinner, so I
Okay.
thought that was pretty cool.
That is really cool.
Like, see if I eat healthy throughout the day, I can maybe reward myself at the
Yeah.
end.
That's a great point. Thank you for sharing, Shelby. Jake?
I was over, but I could change it by not making a McDonald's run at 9 o'clock at night.
Oh yeah, it'll definitely get you done. So, taking that out, would you, if you just took out the meal completely, would you have been?
I think so. I mean, I got fries, but, they're good.
Killers, yeah. Okay, cool. So then, last question is just, did you guys think that was really helpful for helping you guys count calories and stay healthy when it comes to eating?
Yes, I love this app.
Love this app?
Very helpful.
Do you really, or are you just faking it?
I
Yeah,
already had it, I liked it really.
okay.
Cool. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so now, since we're done with that, we're just going to do a couple recap questions. So, what is the importance of a calorie? Somebody tell me?
A what?
A calorie.
Oh,
It's an energy expenditure thing.
Yeah. So basically, it's the amount of energy you consume, and you can use that energy for, daily living, doing activities. And can somebody tell me the daily recommended caloric intake?
2,000.
2,000. And is that the same for everybody, Keegan?
No.
Okay, it's not the same for everybody, you're right. So what are some different variables that go into, what makes it different for each individual?
The height and weight.
Yeah, height and weight. So if you're bigger, you probably need more energy. If you're smaller, you need
Their activity level.
their activity level. So if you're way more active than the other person, you probably need more calories so that you can, expend that energy and be that active. Okay, so that's all I got.